Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking chicken asado Kapampangan style. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have our garlic, red onions, red bell pepper, tomatoes, chicken thighs, parsley, calamansi or calamundin. You can use also lemon if you want to. Potato, carrots, bay leaves, salt and pepper, tomato paste, we have also olive oil, fish sauce, and also we're going to use chicken liver on this recipe, and also we will use green bell pepper. So let's proceed to cooking. Okay, we added the green bell pepper, and also we're going to use soy sauce, which I forgot to mention to you earlier. So this time we're gonna prepare our marinade, and we're gonna marinate the chicken for at least an hour before we proceed to cooking. Let's do the marinade. All right, here's our mixing bowl. Put our chicken there. We use chicken thighs. Now we add our soy sauce. Okay, and our bay leaf. Okay, let's put our garlic, our red onions, our red and green bell pepper, our tomatoes, and then we'll add our pepper, a little salt, and we're gonna mix this with our hands, and we're gonna marinate this for an hour. Before we mix it, let's put our calamansi, then we're gonna put some more later, before when the chicken is tender already. So this time we'll mix it with the chicken. Okay, and we're gonna have this marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour, but better if it's better if we can do overnight, but just a little bit of fish sauce. Okay, and let's add more soy sauce. All right, mixing in. we'll cover this. Next step, we're gonna fry the chicken, but this time we're gonna cook it half cooked only. So let's put some oil. All right. There you go. And then we're gonna put the chicken one by one. All right. We have to remove the vegetables from the marinade from the chicken. So there you go. Okay, we're gonna let this brown a little bit, and both sides, and then we'll continue in the next step. So see you in a bit. Now the chicken is brownish, so we're gonna set this aside, and we'll proceed to the next process. Next step, we will put the marinade that we used earlier. Okay. All right. We'll cook the vegetables. We'll cover this, cook it for 2 minutes. Now let's check our vegetables. Now this is the right time to put our tomato paste. Okay. All right. And our liver spread. Okay. There you go. We'll mix it. Give it a good stir. There you go. Okay. And then we will put our chicken. All right. Put our chicken in. Okay. Because the chicken is already half cooked, so this won't take long to fully cook. There you go. All right. Go. There you go. And then we can put our potatoes at the same time. All right. And then we'll cover this and wait 3 minutes. Now we'll put the carrots, okay, and a little more of calamansi juice. Then we'll give it a good stir. All right, yummy. And we'll put some breadcrumbs to thicken the sauce. All right. And give it a good stir again. There you go. This is ready. All right. Here's the finished product. Chicken asado Kapampangan style. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.